This is the Turkana Sloth. It's made in the hard-wearing weatherproof shark fur that you are familiar with. Again, it comes with 2 zips. It has a handle on the top. It has a handle on the side. Inside, it looks like a traditional bathroom bag. There is a hook that you can hang on the top, and then we have a whole load of dividing sections where you can store whatever it is that you like. So the bottom comes with 2 zip pouches. There is also a little mirror, so you can signal to the aeroplanes if you're lost, or check out how cool you look. The top section has an elasticated waist, so that you could use it like a normal bag. It also comes with 2 inserts. The inside pockets are removable. There's a Velcro on the back, so it secures itself inside, and you could store whatever you want. In this instance, I've got some tools, or you could use the sloth as your camp kitchen, and you could store all the bits and pieces in here. So you can choose, do you want to use the sloth for a bathroom bag, or a toolkit, or a kitchen? The choice is yours. The Turkana Sloth. Hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, eh? Yeah.